Hello everyone, welcome to Naghma's TechWorld. In today's video, we will understand the clear difference between Pragmatic AI and Pragmatic Lab. These are two terms that sound similar but serve very different purposes. Now, understanding this difference is essential if you want to move from simply learning AI to actually using it to create value in the real world. Now, what is Pragmatic AI? Pragmatic AI refers to the practical use of artificial intelligence to solve real business and operational challenges. It is not about research papers or futuristic theories. Instead, it's about deploying existing AI technologies to create clear business outcomes. So here now look at few simple examples of how pragmatic AI is used in the real world. Here some examples includes like using AI to detect fraud in financial transactions and leveraging AI to analyze customer feedback and improve products and applying AI to forecast demand and optimizing supply chains, etc. Now we have to understand that pragmatic AI emphasizes results, scalability and reliability, and that's what makes it powerful. Then what is Pragmatic Lab? Pragmatic Lab is a controlled environment where people experiment, learn, and build AI solutions before using them in real-world production systems. It serves as a sandbox for innovation, and also it is a place to test ideas, create prototypes, and gain hands-on experience without risk. Here, teams can do experiment with building AI models and develop proof of concept solutions and learn how AI tools work through practical projects, etc. So, Pragmatic Lab focuses on skill building, exploration, and rapid iteration. Here, if we see the key difference between these two, Pragmatic Lab is where you learn and experiment, and Pragmatic AI is where you deliver real world results. Both are equally important, but one builds the skills and the other creates the impact. So overall, when we combine the innovation of Pragmatic Lab with the real world execution of Pragmatic AI, organizations can turn ideas into results quickly and effectively. This is how AI becomes truly valuable. I hope you all now understand the difference between Pragmatic AI and Pragmatic Lab. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Keep learning and have a good day.